Hey guys, I'm Yakitoriguy, and if you guys cannot tell from my name, I really love yakitori. Now yakitori, it's the Japanese word for grilled chicken. It's just a food I love, and it's my mission to help spread yakitori culture to the world. So I've always loved cooking. Japanese food, lots of stir-fried dishes, pastas, grilling in the backyard meats. I really enjoy cooking, but I really just wanted to get really good at one thing, become a master of one thing. And one of my favorite dining experiences is going to izakaya, especially in Japan, in the alleyways, eating yakitori, grilled chicken, or grilled other meats, drinking, and just having this community. And one thing that I felt missing in a lot of the izakayas here in America was that sense of community around yakitori. So in 2018, it was a New Year's resolution of mine to learn how to make yakitori. I wanted to feed my friends, do yakitori dinners at friends' houses, at my houses, whatnot. And it's been, a little over 2 years since. And since then, I've gone to Japan several times to go work and train at shops in Tokyo, Fukushima, learning from the yakitori masters in Japan. Just learning as much as I can. I quit my tech career, and since then, I basically have been cooking yakitori full-time at pop-ups and as a private chef. So there's a lot to learn with yakitori. I still feel that I'm a student compared to my masters, but definitely over the 2.5 years or so, I've learned a lot. I've built a community, a growing community on Instagram we call the members Yaki Gang. Now everyone always has questions about, hey, I want to learn how to break down a chicken. I want to learn how to make yakitori. I'm here to help you guys on that. So, breaking down a chicken, it's not just only useful for yakitori. Whether you're making any sort of chicken dishes, so much fresher, cheaper to buy a whole chicken and break it down, I want to teach you guys how to do that. Other questions people have for me, what kind of equipment should I use? So, a chicken knife, what should I get? How do you maintain that chicken knife or any of your knives you have? What are the good types of skewers to get to make yakitori? In yakitori, we have basically a yakitori tare, which is the name for sauce. The tare that we dip the skewers in to add the extra flavor. How do you make this sauce? How do you keep it? These are all these questions I have around making yakitori. One of the biggest questions I do get, though, probably a few times a day is, hey, I want to get into yakitori. I want to buy my first grill. What should I get? Now, when it comes to yakitori grills, there's a wide variety out there. We have electric grills, we have gas grills, and we also have the traditional binchotan charcoal grills right here. Now, all of these have its pros and cons. What grill is best for you is really dependent on, who you are, who you're trying to cook for, what your experience level is. And using these over the past 2.5 years, I've built up a lot of experiences with this, and I want to be able to share my thoughts on whether it's the equipment or the techniques that I have. I want to share that with you guys. So my commitment to you guys who are watching this right now, who are part of this YouTube channel, my commitment is to make a new video every week showing all the various topics that we just talked about. We'll break it down into digestible sessions, breaking down a chicken one week, how to skewer another week, equipment another week. So my commitment to make these videos every week. For you guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel. That way you'll be updated every time there's a new video up. I also want to take this time to work on YouTube Live. So that way, I can set my phone right here, have it showing to whatever I'm working on, and be able to answer any of your questions if you guys are tuned in, and be able to answer right there and show you things right there and right then. So make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified of any of those YouTube Live sessions as well. So, over the past, ever since I started learning how to make yakitori, I've had an immense amount of support from the community, just supporting sort of my dreams and passions. And so this YouTube channel is essentially sort of my kind of grateful commitment back to everyone who's been supporting me. I wanted to show you guys, how, or what I know so far, how to do these things so that you guys, could even learn how to do it yourselves and help spread that yakitori love and yakitori culture. Appreciate yakitori. If you go to Japan, you'll know, what to order because now you know how to make yakitori. All of these things, always growing for me. I want you guys to grow with it. So I'm very excited to finally start this channel. So thank you very much for those who are tuned in and watching so far. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope all these videos moving forward will be very helpful for you. All right, thanks guys.